Welcome viewers. Today I am going to take you through how to edit PDF documents. Follow the step-by-step tutorials to get all tips. Thanks. So this is the PDF document you'll be using for the tutorials. Chicago University. Okay, so how do you get started? You open your search engine or your web browser. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. You can use Chrome or any browser you want. So you come to the search engine, then you type PDF to Word converter. Okay, there you go. You have to know that it's PDF that we want to edit. So first of all, you have to convert the PDF document to Word document, then you edit. After editing, then you convert the Word document back into PDF. Okay, so you scroll down. We have many converters here. This is Adobe converter. This is small PDF converter, but I would prefer we use this one, PDF to doc converter, this particular one. So you double click on it. All right, this is the interface. We have PDF to doc. You have to know that this is free, online free converter, PDF to Word or any other format converter. This free online PDF to doc converter allows you to save a PDF file as an editable document in Microsoft Word doc format, ensuring better quality than many other converters. Step 1. Click the Upload Files. This is Upload Files here button and select up to 20 PDF files you wish to convert. They are saying that you can upload up to 20, a maximum number of 20 PDF files at the same time, and you can also upload them one after the other. Wait for the conversion process to finish. The step 2 is download the results either file by file or click the download all button to get them all at once in a zip archive. So if you are able to upload more than one document and you've converted all of them, you have the option to download them one after the other, or you click the download all button and that will download all of them for you in a zip archive. After that, then you have to unzip it to retrieve all your Word documents. All right, so here I have only one PDF file, so I'm going to click on upload files. You double click, then it will take you to your file explorer to get the PDF there. So I'm going to desktop. This is desktop. Then I'm going to locate the PDF. This is the PDF, Chicago University PDF. I double click for it to upload. It is uploading now. Okay, it is set to be downloaded. As you can see, we have download here, we have download all here. So if you are downloading more than one, you click here download all. But if you have only one, you can still use this download all. You click here. So I will click here to download it. Okay, let's also look at this. We have other functions here that you can use this converter to do as well. We have PDF to doc, we have doc to PDF, we have PDF to JPEG, we have JPEG to PDF, we have PDF to PNG format, we have PNG format to PDF format, we have PDF compressor. If the size of your PDF is big and you want to reduce the size of it, you can equally come here to reduce it. We have combined PDF here, we have crop PDF, so you can use this converter to do all these stuffs. All right, so let us download. There you go, it is finished downloading. So you open the folder to get to your. All right, here we go, this is it. So I copy it onto desktop, copy. So I'm taking it to desktop. All right, here you are. So you open this Word doc, you edit it. After that, then you convert it back to PDF. So you double click to open the Word document. Okay, viewers, we have the Word document we are going to edit now. So let's say we are going to change the address, change the name here, change the telephone number, change the email address, then we convert it back into PDF format. Alright, so you can either delete or you just highlight it, then you type over. So let's change the Chicago University to Maryland University. Maryland University, USA. PO Box 160. Then you can make it, let's say, UK or Chicago. Okay. Alright, so you can choose to delete these ones. Alright, so if you want to change the date to, you highlight the date, then let's change it to 5th February 2024. So 5th February 2024. Alright, so let's change the name. We can make the name Tutorials Hub Richard. Then you change the telephone number to +24400255545. We change the email address to Tutorials Hub Richard @gmail.com. Okay, so here we go. We've edited whatever we want to edit. If you want to do further, then you do, this is Word, so you have to make sure you do all the editing here before you convert it back to PDF. So you save. Alright, so we are converting it to PDF. You have to know that PDF format is, if you convert a Word into PDF format, it will make it difficult to effect changes. Yes, as you know, editing PDF is not easy, and also when you send the document to another person, through the process of sending, there will not be any changes in the content. But if you send a Word document, there may be, the words may change, the structure and then other stuffs of the content may change. So it is advisable you convert the Word document to PDF before you transfer or send it to another person. So we are converting this Word document back to PDF. So how do you go about it? You come to File here, then you come to Save As. You click on Save As, then Desktop. Okay, so how do we name this? Let us name it Tutorials Hub Richard. Tutorials Hub Richard. Okay, then you come to Save As Type. Here we have Word, so you change the Word to PDF. So you drop this place down, you select the Word PDF. You have Word document, Word macro, Word. Make sure you select the PDF. then you come to save, you click on save, then it will convert the word to PDF. Alright, we have our PDF ready here, so let us open it and see if the changes we made are really effected. There you go, all the changes are here. We have the Maryland University, USA, PO Box 160 Chicago, and the date 5th February 2024. Let's check it down. Okay, we have the tutorials have written, we have the telephone number here, and then we also have the email address here. Viewers, you have successfully converted a PDF document to Word, edited it and converted it back to PDF with ease. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Don't forget, this is Word PDF editing. My next video will be on how to edit a picture or an image PDF. That one is different from this one, so hit the bell so that as soon as I drop that next video on how to edit picture or an image PDF, you will be the first person to receive that video. See you.